Industrial equipment can be classified into critical, semi-critical, and low critical equipments. It is very important to have well-defined preventive maintenance for critical and semi-critical equipments, as any downtime to these equipments affect operational expenditure. The preventive maintenance involves the collaboration of multiple departments, assessment of risk for each machine or task type, permit to work, start and stop procedures, safety and monitoring checklists, approval from various departments, sequential and parallel workflow for activities to be carried out. InnoMaint helps you to configure these procedures, workflow, and able to monitor and control all the maintenance and activity easily. InnoMaint will help you to gain the productivity, smarter communication between departments, reduce the downtime which helps reduce operational expenditure. InnoMaint will also helps to set up the SLA for each activity for parallel and sequential tasks with reminder and escalation, which will help to have a control over the operations. Subscribe InnoMaint today, which will make your maintenance operation easy.